Hello friends. Welcome to our fourth video of the series of tariff determination process in India. In this video, we will brief you about the whole process of tariff determination. The whole process starts with distribution companies filing petitions before Commission, which are scrutinized by the Commission and public notice is issued for comments. Then a public hearing is held, and after considering all comments and suggestions, the Commission finally passes a tariff order. Now, we will discuss each step in further detail. First step is a tariff petition filing by distribution companies before the Commission. The petition includes information about the revenue they want to recover in the form of various components of the electricity bill and changes that the distribution company is proposing through this petition. Right after a petition is submitted, the Commission scrutinizes the petition and gives their preliminary observations on the petition. This step results into possibilities, which are either they find some deficiencies in the petition or else they find the petition perfect, and it is moved forward for further process. Now, in case they find any deficiency in the petition, the Commission shares the information about such deficiencies to the distribution company to rectify them and file the revised petition. The revised petition again goes through the second step of scrutiny and preliminary observation by Commission. In case the petition is good enough, the petition is admitted by the Commission, which becomes the background document for the whole tariff process. After admission of the petition, the Commission asks the distribution company to create a summary of the petition and issue a public notice inviting comments from various stakeholders on the petition. Usually, distribution companies are asked to advertise them properly for more public participation. Stakeholders come to know about the starting of the tariff process through public notice, and they submit their comments to the Commission within the stipulated time period, which is forwarded to the distribution company for their reply on the same. Public hearings are held at various locations to gather more and more public comments on the whole process. During the process of public hearing, the stakeholders including distribution companies and the general public provide their comments and inputs on the tariff petition. Public can even seek clarification on any aspect related to tariff petition. The comments and suggestions are considered by the Commission while deciding the tariff. Along with this, Commissions even perform detailed scrutiny and validation of data in order to finalize annual revenue requirement and tariff order. Finally, the Commission issues a tariff schedule and a detailed tariff order in which they summarize the proposal made by DISCOM in tariff petition, comments received from all stakeholders and SERC's views on the same. Also, they inform about the parameters and data information they have considered while determining tariff. Hope you have glimpsed through the whole process of tariff determination. In upcoming videos, we will be deep diving into some aspects discussed in this video and inform you about many key concepts or terms associated with the whole process so that you get a good idea about tariff order and petition. Comment below to share your views on this tariff series. Like and share the video. Also, subscribe to the channel to see more such videos in future.